Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get your
and we don't want to isolate specific characters.
as it breaking
All
news,
facts,
yes, and
including videos, including personalities that have been mentioned, including those not even mentioned that, but we do know from our homicide investigation experience will be vital to getting to them. So I don't want to reduce it to specific name at this moment. Let's proceed with the investigation, and as we have needs to identify individuals, which could be wider, we will pick on whoever we believe from investigation is linked, and will encourage such a person or bring such a person within the dictates of the law to come and clarify their level of involvement. Whoever, and wherever you are in this world, do not forget we have a unique asset in Interpol. So I don't for now want to limit and start mentioning specific individuals. Everybody linked to it will be identified, and they will be brought to establish their level of liability.
Before now,